Okay, our next chapter is heredity and genetics. I think I have chapter 5 on there. I think it's 5 in your book. Okay, so it's our 4th chapter, but it's number 5 in your book. And so I thought we'd go over our goals. Nothing to write down today, but this is a really fun chapter. So some things we're going to talk about: the difference between asexual and sexual reproduction. We've kind of touched on that a little bit. We'll get into that a little bit more. Some terms that I'd like you to know, and I think you guys went over this last year in 6th grade, but this is everything genetics. So we're going to talk about dominant and recessive. Hopefully sounds familiar. Talk about like homozygous, heterozygous. We're going to do some Punnett squares, genotype, phenotype, pedigrees, just everything genes and genetics. I really enjoy this chapter. This is one of my favorites because it's real life situations. So no matter, most of the time you guys ask, oh, when are we going to use this in real life? Well, this is a real life situation. There are tons of them, and we're going to go through some of those. We're going to talk about how probability plays a role in heredity and genetics. Almost everything is about flipping a coin and what are your odds. We're going to talk about Gregor Mendel. Hopefully you remember him. He's the dude with the pea plants. We're going to solve a bunch of situations using Punnett squares. We're going to talk genotype and phenotype, ratios of Punnett squares, pedigrees, the whole circle box thing, and how things are passed down in families, and then how advances in genetics can be helpful and or harmful. So this is a really fun chapter. I'm excited to get into it, and it'll be great.